here I am out in Mother Nature, checking out the world, right? Going for walks. It's so therapeutic. Did you guys know? Just getting away from the television box, and enjoying some sunlight, enjoying some air that we're able to breathe, checking out the trees, listening to the cars go by. You can see the morning dew on the grass. What I'm beginning to notice is that it's either a ghost town where there's nobody on the roads and it's just completely quiet, like right now, right? Nothing. Or there's just too many cars on the road and they're all honking at each other and getting really ticked off. Because you see what the TV has done with all this media and all these influencers and everything. What's happened with all that is that our minds as humans were so reactionary and emotional that we can't believe some of the stuff that we see that's happening today. I think that's a fair assessment. I mean, when you're able to walk, you got freedom for now, and you're able to look around, check out the skies, maybe wave to some people. Most of them don't wave back, since everybody's gotten really cold-hearted, I guess we'll say. I was totally just in that guy's way. He was trying to turn. I'm walking and talking to my phone. Anyway, just try and get out of the house. You never know when the next lockdown might be. So, enjoy the day. Thank you for watching.